I'm from the Natural History Museum. I'm a principal curator in the insects division there. Nanopore sequencing is really critical to work on genomics in the Natural History Museum because it scales from short reads, amplicon sequencing for our biodiversity discovery research. We use flongals and minion sequencing with high throughput like barcoding, all the way through to long read sequencing for genome assembly. One of the big next steps is trying to take ONT technologies remotely in other countries because they're so portable, so that we can sort of democratize identification of species globally. London Calling is an amazing conference. I've never been to one quite like it, actually. It's sort of an integration of technology providers and cutting-edge scientists mixed in with a bit of a rock concert at the same time, so it's fantastic. Over the next 2 days, the thing I'm most looking forward to is we'll be live sequencing a large copper butterfly, which is a butterfly that's gone extinct in the UK. By live sequencing that species and getting that reference genome, we can compare it to historical material that we have at the Natural History Museum to understand conservation priorities and how the genomic structure of that species was affected by its local extinction in the UK, and how any reintroduction attempts could be monitored over time using ONT technologies.